Hey, so if you want to collect data, leads, or feedback without any hassle, yeah, Zoho Forms makes it really simple. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to use it step by step. Alright, first, log into your Zoho account and open Zoho Forms from your dashboard. Once you're in, click on Create New Form. You can start from scratch or choose a template, whichever works best for you. Now, drag and drop fields like name, email, or drop-downs into your form. This is where you design what information you want to collect. You can customize labels, add instructions, and even change the layout to match your style. Yeah, it's pretty flexible. Next, set up rules if needed, like showing fields based on answers, and enable email notifications when someone submits the form. Before publishing, preview your form to make sure everything looks and works right. Once you're ready, click Share. You can copy the link, embed it on your website, or send it directly, so yeah, lots of options. Finally, head over to the Responses tab to see all submissions in real time. And that's it. Zoho Forms is a simple but powerful way to collect and manage data. Once you start using it, you'll see how useful it is.